Welcome. A quick one on this permutation question, episode number 13. In how many ways can 6 buses, 5 cars, and 4 motorcycles can be arranged in a row if all the vehicles of one type cannot be differentiated from each other? So this is just vehicles. They are all vehicles. So we need to know how many pool of vehicles are we selecting from. That's the total number. All right. So in this case, we are selecting from 6, 4, 5. That is 15 vehicles that are available. We want to arrange all of them. Now, if we are going to arrange all of them, we can put there are 6 of the buses. We can have bus 6. Then we follow by the cars, followed by motorcycle. But this condition here, if all the vehicles of one type cannot be differentiated, it means that they are the same type. The bus, they are all the same. And remember, when we are talking about the type of the permutation, the number 3 says that permutation of multi-set, which we have the objects are not distinct. We are going to have the third type. So let's say number of buses is 6, then number of cars is 5, number of motorcycles is 4. So total number of 4 vehicles become 5 plus 6 plus 4, which give us what? 15. So fast forward, number of arrangement becomes the 15 factorial by 6 factorial, 5 factorial, 4 factorial. Remember the third type of the permutation we mentioned. When we have a set of objects to pick from and P of them are identical, Q of such numbers are also identical, then we resort to this factorial division. So when you put this in your calculator, let's see what that will give us. So that will be giving us 630 various ways, which means there are 630,630 ways by which we can arrange these 15 vehicles, which 6 are buses, 5 are cars, and the remaining 4 are motorcycles. Try to identify the 3 types so that you can be able to distinguish between the questions. Go back into the playlist, check on episode 12, 11, 10. You'll be able to get a difference between the 3 types of what? Permutation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.